Yes, so Everyday Blessing TV. Don't use another one. Take come out again. Because a lot of people, they bondage. So let me bring my number come out in case maybe you want to boss me or you want to call me. So God creates everybody. May we come multiply. Waiting be multiply. God creates everybody. May we come win so. How you want to win so? Because say you the jealousy your friend? No. Save life. Save life. Save soul. Now be multiply. Because you will give account on that day. So, Everyday Blessing TV.com. Yeah, thank you very much. That's pretty good. God bless you. So, I bring solution come for my brother and sisters. I don't see a lot of people fight, quarrel all over the world. I say what to do. I ask God, say God, wetin I want do to help my people. Show me. I want to win a soul. God bless you. Angela, you are welcome. I say I want to win a soul. There is different way to help somebody. Not be only you give person money. There is some way. There is some direction. There is some road where you show person. You win soul be that from God. So many women they complain concerning their partner, their boyfriend or their husband, concerning body odor. Man get body odor. Women get body odor. So no know how they want to get the solution for the odors. So I asked my God, I said, God, show me road. A lot of people there inside. God bless you, Allah Haji. You are welcome. I said, show me road. Some people there, maybe you get mouth odor, armpit odor, under odor, stomach odor, ear odor, nose odor, anywhere. John Bosco, God bless you, you are welcome. So, if maybe for example, your wife, they complain, say, honey or sweetheart, I don't like some odor. It still get some odor way come for natural. Maybe they born you put. They just born you with that odor. I don't get the cure. I travel all over the world. I say, God, show me the place to get the cure of odor. I want to help my people. Because odor, some crowd there where you go enter, some mix of people where you go enter, they will not say now you come. Because of the odor. Where people perceive and they'll say, this person doesn't come. No, you're wrong. John Bosco, God bless you. Ivie, God bless you. You are welcome. Favor, Godwin, you are welcome. So, my number there, he boss me. or call me. I get the cream, the roll-on, body spray, and the soap, and the perf. Some women, they don't fit put time for man tell you, say, honey, you get odor, though they shame. Some will still tell you. If you see the way your wife or your girlfriend they behave, you yourself, as a wisdom, you calculate now, say, why my girlfriend or why my wife they behave like this? Something is wrong somewhere. Or you get big stomach, man. You get nyash like woman. You not be woman, no. I get the cure. Or woman. God bless you. Osarobo. Maybe you be gay, you be woman. Your station will be like man. You will get muzzle like man. I get solution. I travel down to the country to make sure say I get this cure to make sure say I take save my people. And I'm not going to show everything here. I greet you, John Bosco. I'm not going to show everything here, but I will show some. Because go my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV. If you subscribe, you will see everything, all the data for the solution. We sow, my brother or my sisters, the soul where God sent me to win, to cure body odor, mouth odor, armpit odor, under odor, all over the body odor. If you are a woman, maybe you get under odor, or man, under odor, or mouth odor, ear odor, or nose odor, armpit odor, anywhere. Maybe not be your fault. Someday they born you put. Then you create you like that. You get body odor. I get the solution. So, before I go and show the... God bless you, Gima. You are welcome. So, you go my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV. If you subscribe, you can get more details of this solution. Woman, no shame. Man, no shame. Inbox me. You can contact me. Call me. If you say you not call me, call is mine. God bless you. You are welcome to the show. God create you as a man. But you come this life, you can't find yourself. You can't be like woman. You be man, oh. I get the cure. God creates you as a woman. You find yourself, you can't be like man. Don't worry yourself. I get the cure. Women who get bored, who get muzzle like man, they'll get man shape. I get the cure. I don't find solution because I travel over 8 countries to make sure say I get the solution. To make sure say, especially this body odor, either mat or armpit or under any, all over the body odor. I get the solution. So I don't bring to the come out. So I get the roll-on here, and I still get the soap here. So, and I still get the cream here. So, if you can inbox me, I will tell you, or you call me. Mona invite una friend, even though say una no order or una no need them, maybe know how. Either una sister, una brother, una cousin, una nephew, or friends, did that condition. Maybe una brother or una sister or most of our friends dey that condition. So he need my help. If you contact person to me, you direct person to me, you wish so be that. If you know say anybody around you get that effect, solution don't come. 8 country. I travel to 8 country to make sure say I bring this solution to my people. God bless you. Kaladu, God bless you. You are welcome. Yeah, God bless you. John Bosco. Yeah, so if a woman they complain, some women not they complain, but they vex. Sharon Besson, God bless you. You are welcome. All the way from better country. Some women they know they tell the man, though they vex. Some women they talk on. They'll tell their husband or their boyfriend, say, honey, I don't like the way, with coded. Or man, see they tell their girlfriend or their wife, say, honey, I don't like the way you are. Yeah, God bless you, down there. You are welcome. So, solution don't come. You can inbox me or you call me. No shame. If you share find solution than you share die, which one better pass? You shame and get your solution is solved than you shame die, which one better pass? There is some body odor where the follow person come from date of birth, cure day. If maybe they just born the person, since they born her, it just follow and come. Solution day. No talk say, no solution. I don't work sote. No. You never work reach where I dey. That's why you never get the solution. I'm gonna share this video so that people who dey inside the condition, they will find the cure. Yeah, God bless you. Edo Gogo, you are welcome. You are welcome. All the way from better country. So, the solution, I don't bring and come out. I'm gonna share this video so that I make this video around the whole world. Everyday Blessing TV. Now they talk so. We so help your people for one thing. If now one person you save, God don't ready mark your name. Not be where that they insult papa, mama. You want go sit down, they wash. You can wash and no problem. But where you want to get your solution, make sure say you need that place. If your boyfriend carry nyash like say na woman, your boyfriend or your husband, na man who, but he can't get nyash like woman. Not be ordinary hand, na sickness. I get the cure. Because man get your size of nyash. Woman get our size of nyash. Man not fi go carry woman nyash. You go say na enjoyment. We enjoyment dey. Enjoyment not dey there. Enjoyment not dey there. Or a woman, you get muzzle like man. You get man shape. Any woman who get man shape, I get the solution. If you know the person, direct her to me. Direct her to Everyday Blessing TV. If you go my YouTube channel, you not feel see everything, but if you subscribe, you will see all my details. Yeah, God bless you. Stella Wizzy, all the way from Beta City, Deutschland. God bless you. Thank you for watching. So, if maybe, for example, woman, your husband or your boyfriend, not the dress way. God bless you, Bella. Thank you for watching. Pretty, God bless you. Maybe your husband not the dress way. You don't tell her so he know what they listening to you. You know they hear. Direct her to me. There is solution. Or maybe your girlfriend, you as a man, your girlfriend or your wife, it is dirty. She dey dirty and you dey tell her every time. She know they respond to you. Solution dey. Different solution. And order the key house. Maybe man and woman una dey inside bed, una lie down for the same bed. Or maybe you go, God bless you. Natasha Good, God bless you. All the way from the Beta City. God bless you. Maybe you and your gown and lie down for bed. It gets some kind of the way your God they bring come out for body. Una don't try many soap, many things, no solution. The solution don't come. Isabella, thank you for watching. God bless you. Solution don't come. No shame. Inbox me or call me. Everybody wants made their wife or their husband or their boyfriend or their girlfriend. They good. Look good. So it good make everybody, man and woman, look good. Look good to your husband or you look good to your wife or your girlfriend or your boyfriend. God bless you. So, inbox me or you call me for my number. If you want go, maybe you want go apply for through my YouTube channel. You can go Everyday Blessing TV. So, your solution don't come with that. Your solution has come. No shame. Invite your friends. If you not get this problem, maybe your friend or your brother or your sister, Destiny, God bless you. Thank you for watching all the way from Beta country. God bless you. Maybe you not get this sickness, maybe your brother or your sister, your friend, your cousin, your nephew, or maybe one of your family or your relative, he have that problem. If you don't say now Africa, your brother dey or your sister dey or any of your person dey, Peter, God bless you. I still get people who go supply them for Africa. If you dey Europe, maybe you dey America, anywhere you dey, all over the world, you dey Asia country, any country where you dey all over the world, and the supply body odor solution. Osage, God bless you. Osage Desmond, God bless you. Thank you for watching all the way from better country. Because I don't see more than 200 people call me, inbox me. I say, okay, I traveled down 8 countries to make sure say I get this solution. And not be everything I show for Facebook. If you go my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV, if you not subscribe, you not fit see everything there. If you subscribe, all my details, everything, the way I take the supply, the way I take the post, even the people who order, the way I take post to them, the way I take send everything in my YouTube channel. So you will see them. If you want to inbox me, you can inbox me. If you want to still read down, you go read down. You see everything there. Everyday Blessing. You go to YouTube right now. Now. Go to YouTube. Tap Everyday Blessing TV. So you will see everything there. Maybe you go there. If you not subscribe, you not go see everything there. But if you subscribe, you will see all the solution. All everything, the way I take the supplied everything. Yeah, Lucky, God bless you. Thank you for watching all the way from better country. God bless you. So my brother and sister, more una invite una friends. Maybe for example, you where they watch me so, you don't need them more. But no how person way around you, they way need them. Person way close to you, they way need them. Shame not the day. Person shame live long, better pass is shame die. Which one better pass? Person shame die and person shame and live long. Person shame and live long, better pass person shame die. So body cure don't come. Body cure solution. I don't bring and come out to help my people, to save my people. You dey work money. From morning till evening, you go to work. Morning till evening, you go market. You want go your business. You want go to your shop, your store, your office. Why you don't want to repair your body? Why you don't want to help yourself? You get money, you dey smell. You fine, you get body odor. You tall, you get body odor. You short, you get body odor. You fat, you get body odor. You slim, you get body odor. You dey chop the whole food wey you want all over the world. For this world, you get body odor. You dey happy for streets. People dey see you say you dey happy, but you get body odor. You never complete. Come to body odor solution. Here is solution. Guarantee. All over the world, when I travel to 8 countries to make sure say I get, Pretty Natasha, God bless you. Thank you for watching all the way from Better City. So where you want to help yourself, you don't need to ask somebody. You don't need to ask person say how. No, go straight to the place and help yourself. Some people there, some men there, or some women they will be say that they bleach. You know, some people there where they use cream, that they get this body odor. Some men they will be say, you will see say it just fair or white, what you know they call them. But some get body odor. Even some men still they black, chocolate, they get body odor. Body odor solution is here. Inbox me and go my YouTube channel, Everyday Blessing TV. Subscribe there so you will see everything. The way I take the transfer the something, the way I take the post to each person who need that, everything there my YouTube channel. So you will see everything. You will see it with your eye. Fake no day. You will see it. If you need that, you inbox me. But if you not subscribe, thank you, Tessie, all the way from Better Country. God bless you. Thank you for watching. But if you not subscribe for my channel, you not fit see all those things. But if you subscribe, everything will come out. You will see everything with your eyes. Even the video when I do day before yesterday, when I take go send, give somebody. Yeah, thank you, Vivian. God bless you all the way from Better Country. Thank you for watching. Even the video when I do day before yesterday, when I go post, go give somebody, it did my YouTube channel. So fake no day. Find something to help your person. God bless you. God bless you, Bella. Padora Bella. All the way from Better City. How you doing now? You say na money you can't find for Europe. Clear. Better. That's a better thing. But remember, that money, where you want carry and go. God bless you. This welcome. Pat. Olu. Thank you for watching. God bless you all the way from Better Country. Collis. Easy. Thank you for watching all the way from Better Country. You dey work. You say na money you can't find for Europe. Clear. Elvis, God bless you. But the money Where you want carry and go? Where you not get good scent. Where you not get good scent. And you dey work money every day, you dey go work. Fine for your wife. Fine. Dey nice to your husband, to your wife. Get better scent for your body. That money where you dey work every day, you know will look nice. Thank you very much. My family, they fine. You want to carry that money go heaven? No. Maintain yourself. Look nice. Body odor solution. Inbox me. Your condition don't solve. You don't find your problem here. Odor of your body. Inbox me. That's my cure. I will cure it for you. If, for example, anywhere you dey, if you go work, man, 5 hours or 8 hours, if you come back, 8 hours no mean say na a whole day you get for work. Oh. So the many hours where you take rest, everything, you relax yourself. But wetin go come out from you? God bless you. All the way from better country. Dion, God bless you. Dion, God bless you. So the other way go come out from you. If you want to go even buy something for supermarket, or you want come out again, your wife not go even want me quick come out. He go say, ah, honey, may still relax more now. But if you get bad odor, if you say you want to go buy something, he go even send you more again. Buy this one, buy this one. Buy this one, buy this one. So give me 1 minute. So my brother, sorry, sisters. So he go even send you more, say buy this one, so that means you forte. If you get job 8 hours normal, he go want make you get 12 or 16 hours, so that means you did there. Because anytime we take con house, the house go just spoil. You know the fact too. You dey nice, but your set where they come out from you not dey nice. Solution don't come. Other solution. Body odor solution. Na soap, perf, cream, roll-on, and body spray. Some people don't buy many cream, buy many soap, buy many wherever. No solution. You know stop. If you cream come off for body, other will come back again. So the odor cure, it did this place for the talk to you. So inbox me or you called me. No shame. No shame. No shame. So that's why you see some women, they'll say, woman, he go through leg for outside. If you check out, not be their photo, most of them will. Maybe your wife they tell you, honey, do it like this, do it like this, do it like this. You know they hear because something block your ear. Before I travel to 8 countries to make sure say I find the solution of this body odor, it take me 3 weeks. 3 weeks for 8 countries. 3 weeks. So I want to help my people, my brothers and sisters. If you did that condition, if you did that shoe, if you wear that shoe, please, no shame. Call me. Inbox me. Thank you very much. Golden. You are welcome all the way from better country. Call me. And share this video so that your friend will did the shoe, will wear the shoe, or your cousin, your brother, or your sister will wear the shoe, they will find the solution. Come here. And for easy way to get the solution quick, now go my YouTube channel. Una go see everything there. Everything there. So everything, all the solution there. But if you are not subscribed, you are not fit see everything there. Una fit go see old videos when I post 2 years ago, 1 year back. So I not fit see this present one because you are not subscribed. If you not subscribed, I will see the one when I just put yesterday, even the one I put today. You know me say you dey go work, you will not dey nice, you will not maintain your body. Not be always weekend. Man, they maintain their body. Every day. You are welcome. Patrick, lovely. God bless you. All the way from better country. Some people did this life. 12 hours job. 16, 8. You don't show for their body, say that they work. If you see them, you think say they know this one, not they work. Depends how you put yourself. How you maintain your body. Depends how you maintain your body. Not be people wey use and take raw mat. Now they know say yeah, this one hard working man. No. God bless you. I'm fine. Patrick, lovely. Rejoice. God bless you. Maintain yourself. So 8 hours, 12 hours, or 16 hours, anyone you like to do, but maintain yourself. Maintain yourself. You are a woman or you are a man, girl, boy. Where you they work the money for? Why you they work the money? Where you want to carry the money go? Not because of yourself or your family. Maybe you don't marry or you don't get children. For your children, for your wife, and for yourself. Why you can't dirty? So, my brothers and sisters, body odor solution has come. Don't fail to subscribe to my channel so that everything you will get on clear. Because not be everything when I talk for years, so I day my now I talk come on, not be everything when my YouTube channel now I talk for years, so. But if you go there and subscribe, you see everything by yourself. Even when I travel to the 8th country, as I arrive, everything, so you will see the video, everything there. Even when I travel, go find the solution, go find the cure, go buy the cream and the roll-on and everything, and the body spray, you see where me and Oibo, where we talk, everything as we talk the issue. So everything did the YouTube. So if you subscribe, you see everything. You will not say yes, so that you will not doubt me. You will not say yes. This not true. This man they talk. If you see me now, you say, Beggy. No, just go see him with your eyes. Go there and subscribe, so you see everything there. Love you, rejoice. Lovely Joyce, God bless you. We are fine. Omo good. God bless you. Thank you for watching all the way from better country. So, the solution when I carry come out today, body odor solution to cure body odor. Body odor mean all from head to toe. Either mouth or ear, nose, everywhere, under, all body. So everything solution. Inbox me. And maintain yourself. Not be everybody will use suffer take rub mouth. Now they suffer. Some people dey, yeah, welcome. All the way from better country. Godwin. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. So, my brothers and sisters, the solution don't come. If you not get that problem, maybe person way close to you, person way near you, your sister or your brother or your friend, any of your relation, get that problem. Especially people where you're the Western world. Some men they overwork morning to evening. It did their body. Some women they, because of waiting they do pass, it did their body. Some your day, then your bond them put, it follow them come. They say that time that they say they not bath them way, and they cause them. The solution don't come. If you know the person, direct them to me. So, thank you for watching. Remain blessed. Don't fail to subscribe to Everyday Blessing TV. So go to YouTube so that you can see everything. You see my data, everything. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to Everyday Blessing TV. God bless you. And remain blessed. Maintain your body. Maintain yourself. Money, 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 not be everything. Make that money to repair yourself. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. Remain blessed. Don't fail to subscribe to Everyday Blessing TV. Go to YouTube and subscribe there so that you can find everything. All my data, everything remain there. So anytime I come on live, so you will receive everything. So God bless you. Thank you very much. One love, my people, brothers and sisters. Remain blessed.